Nora was in the last bootcamp, and she works in her job on autonomous driving and producing the systems for that. So it's super important for her to stay up to date what happens in the market, what happens with competitors. And she said either she can Google for that before she runs into meetings, or she has a system that keeps her up to date. And the system that she was building is something that she allowed us to share with you guys. So what she did is she separated her application into two different flows. The first one is a daily news collection. So every morning, a system asks Perplexity and screens the web for information on autonomous parking, trucking, components, radar, camera, and saves all that information on a server in a specific file on a Google Drive. And that allows the other agents to continuously pull that information and to have a repository down there. Then her other flow reacts to Slack messages, because she says she doesn't want to have a newsletter every day. She wants specific information to the question that she has in a specific moment. So this channel listens to Slack, and then the workflow analyzes Slack message, looks at the document that we compile every day in the morning, and creates a report for the specific request. So let's just try it. This is the demo Slack instance. You can do it with Teams or whatever as well. But Nora says, hey, heading to a meeting around logistic applications of autonomous driving. Do we have news on that? And what happens now is the agent listens to this channel and starts running. And what you see here is it looks at the messages, it analyzes the message with AI, it goes into the documents, and in the documents it gets the information that is required to compile the report. And the advantage versus just Googling is it's super specific, super targeted to your use case, and you can tune the system bit by bit as well. And this is done and answers to the message right in Slack. So of course Nora doesn't have to look at that. That is something that she built at some point. But we see the reply of her market intelligence agent, and it links to a Google file that she can have a look at here. And that immediately gives information about Beep, corporation I don't know about, has some activities there around logistics, and also says like some government sources that she can tap into. And that way she has her information right at hand. Of course, everything can be tuned, everything can be adjusted, and in the bootcamp you can build anything else as well, anything that's integrated with your data, with your communication channels, running on all kinds of systems that you want to tap into. Looking forward to see you there.